Sometimes 21 days just isn't enough to prepare a home for sale. Family emergencies come up, painting or other projects take longer than expected. Life happens. Instead of entering a listing as an office exclusive when you don't intend on selling that way, or going temporarily off market and losing valuable marketing time, Bright is removing the time restriction on coming soon listings. Starting August 14th, you'll have unlimited time to market your listing as coming soon, providing you with the flexibility you need to market your client's property the way they want. Just remember, when you're ready for showings, change the listing to active, making it available to all MLS participants. Enter and update the expected on-market date as needed. The listing will automatically switch to active on this date. If your client has instructed you they do not want the listing distributed through the MLS, it should be entered as an office exclusive and not coming soon. And for every listing, even a coming soon one, you can choose to share the information on the internet or keep it within the system to subscribers only. Learn more at brightmls.com/summer policy updates.